back at my favourite practice ground near the Adelaide desalination plant for a couple of flights, just to shake everything down and make sure things are running properly, and also just to keep my hand in. We've been reflecting recently that these guys that maintain and fly 80-year-old World War II aircraft like Spitfires and Messerschmitts and Mustangs, the sheer complexity of the equipment and number of possible failure points compared to a very simple modern drone with brushless motors, I'm just so glad that I've kept right away from manned aviation. I mean, kudos to them, but the further I get into this flying lark, the more I realise just how much can go wrong and how wrong things go. And how despite CASA's best efforts, we seem to have a fatality every week here in Australia when it comes to light aircraft. But I'm enjoying what I'm doing, so I'll keep with it as long as I'm allowed to.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning. Descent 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Angle mode 0 volts, 50 milliwatts. Low battery 25 milliwatts, 12.6 volts. And minute 50 milliwatts. Milliwatts. Minutes. 50 milliwatts. .4 volts. 11.5 volts. 11.5 volts. 11.3 volts. 3 minutes. 11.3 volts. 11.3 volts. Low battery. 11.2 volts. 11.2 volts. Telemetry lost. 11.3 volts. Telemetry recovered. Low battery. 11.3 volts.
Fuck.
Low battery. 11.2 volts. 4 minutes. Decide.
No.
11.5 volts.
No. That's odd. Again, it was the second flight that got me going. I get my adrenaline's up a bit and it's harder to control. It's bloody weird, the psychology of flying. Yes, it's flying beautifully. No problem with that. Quite why I couldn't calm down at the end. I was flying pretty high actually.
It was okay, then suddenly it was just over there and it should have been still visible.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it again. Like, desperately scanning, I could hear it. It's like, oh, come on, where are you? Suddenly cleared.
It just shows again how critical it is to get these straps really tight to avoid anything slopping around.
People normally attach these cameras.
They've got little PVC printed things that go on them. They just slip the thing in, so it's a much smaller case. Just the protection this gives to it, plus the flotation if you drop it into the sea, is something the other guys don't have. Sometimes if they're flying over water, they'll attach an empty drink bottle to give it buoyancy. Yes, but this is definitely my best drone at the moment. Very happy with how it flies, how it handles.